a figure emerges. A man radiant and ethereal steps forth from the other side, far away in the cosmic expanse. Who is he? What secrets does he bring from the seventh dimension? Join us on this incredible journey as we explore the wonders that lie beyond the stars. Subscribe now and embark on an adventure that will leave you in awe. Ready to touch the divine? Let's open the Stargate together.
Alright guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Navy. Welcome to the channel Particles Target, a channel for all the people. Man, what a long can you give it the round of the pros, guys? We get into the tutorial, guys. That's we can start to do the videos for the day. So in this tutorial is all about how you can reactivate the iLok license plugins on your manager, on your iLok license manager. So don't forget to like and subscribe when you click the icon of the bell, so that every time we drop new content, you guys are able to get the new content. On this channel, we'll be dropping all kinds of video about education, about life, about school, about money, about whatever you need to learn. So if we can do it, then we can create it. If you need it, then we have it. This is a channel for all the people. Particles Target. Can you give it a round of applause, guys? So without wasting much of your time, let's get straight ahead into the video. So without wasting much of time, I assume you have already installed iLok on your PC, which is an iLok manager. I'm sure most of the plugins and most of the effects and most of the software. For example, when you purchase Ableton, when you purchase Pro Tools, it will have iLok pre-installed for you. So all your licenses will be stored on iLok. So in case you'll be wondering about that, we're not yet explaining about iLok. So if you don't have iLok then installed, then go to your Chrome browser or your Edge browser and just search for iLok. Just search for iLok, click on the first link which appears. Once iLok loads, you can sign in or create a free account or download it to the latest version. Make sure that you're uploaded to the next version. For me, it's already installed, so I'm going to just do iLok. Once I open my iLok manager, so iLok, when you open it, it has a panel. So let me sign in. Once I sign into my account, I have two accounts. So you can check, I have a cloud activation, then I have a local activation there on my left side of the panel. So for me, I want to activate like this Avid Complete plugins bundle. So you see, when I do options, I can see details. So it shows you activation used is 0. So iLok on you allows you to have 3 licenses on different machines. So they'll be there on my left local panel. I will see 3 if I have other desktops or I have other PC or on a Mac or other machines I can use with devices where the iLok or the license of that particular software or VST or plugin or software is activated. Then I'll have 3 machines there, but only 3, that's the limit. So in case if it's depleted from the other machine, just go on the desktop you're no longer using, just click on options. Then for you, it will show report as unusable. Once you report as unusable, then you have that particular type of desktop or machine uninstalled from the iLok manager. You can install all of them on the cloud, so that wherever you go, you have your licenses activated. But for me, I want to install them locally. So I'm going to select on my account, then I'm going to go on Avid Complete. I do options, then I go on Activate. Once it activates, then operation will be running in process. I do not want to activate it in cloud, but I want to activate it locally. So once I activate it locally, I click OK. Then give it the time for operation in process. So once it loads, it's activating a lot of licenses. Yeah, it says successful activation. 26 licenses successfully activated. Just click OK. Then once I go on my local drive, then I'll see that all my licenses are activated. So guys, that's it. If you want to deactivate, just go on the same, then deactivate, then you have those plugins deactivated. So that for me, I want to like this. So we'll be dropping more future videos in the future. So guys, don't forget to hit the red bell, the red icon there, the red button. Don't forget to hit it, or if you want, the subscribe button there on your down on your screen, guys, so that every time I drop new content, you guys are able to run through and able to see what kind of content I'll be dropping. So we'll be dropping different content on this channel. We'll be teaching about the Bible, we'll be teaching about Christ, we'll be teaching about God, we'll be teaching about music theory, we'll be teaching how to make beats, we'll be teaching Pro Tools, we'll be teaching Ableton. It's everything you need to know. It's a channel for people where you can find everything If we can do it, we create it. If you want it, we have it. So guys, thanks for watching. Catch you on the flip side. Stay safe.